Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm a technology consultant at Continuus Technologies. This is the 12th episode in the Alteryx Tips and Tricks series, in which we help you make your workflow reach its full potential. In this video, we will be copy and pasting data from the results pane onto the canvas. So if I connect to a file here, and let's say I only want to bring in this couple of cells into a different flow to put my own analysis on there. So I highlight what I would like to select, right click, and then I could choose copy selected cells without or with headers. So I always say with headers. It's going to say that's truncating. So if you're working with paragraph data or really long data, it might truncate it. But if you're working with small data like this, it will not truncate it. So we can ignore this. And then right clicking and pasting onto the canvas. Now it's going to take the column name since we selected those and give all those values into the canvas. So now I can use the cells that I selected as a data source and do extra analysis on those. And when I click on here, you're able to see that data.